Rod the Tool Guy here with ARES Tools. Today we're going to be introducing the new ARES 5935 dual-purpose lug nut flip socket set. This innovative socket design is perfect set for all tire and wheel service or roadside emergencies. The unique flip socket design has one side with the standard 6-point hex broaching and the other side with a twist-style damaged lug remover design. These sockets are made from impact-grade chrome moly material with a durable black phosphate finish, making these sockets able to withstand even the toughest shop conditions. This set includes 5 half-inch drive flip sockets covering lug sizes 17mm, 19mm 3/4, 21mm, 13/16, and 7/8, and a 3-inch impact socket extension. So let's put these heavy-duty sockets to work. When removing a wheel, whether in a shop or on the side of the road, you never know when a lug nut can strip out on you. With the ARES 59035, you will never have to worry. When everything goes well, the lug nuts are removed and installed with ease thanks to the tight ANSI tolerances on each socket broaching. However, when you encounter a damaged or stripped lug like this one, doesn't do you any good. So flip it around. And it grabs it, and there you go. They come right off. The whole 6-piece set stores nicely in the included heavy-duty storage case, compact and easy to store in your toolbox or in your service truck. There you have it, the ARES 59035 6-piece dual-purpose flip socket set, perfect for all your wheel and tire service applications. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.